What are those seeds po, ma'am?
Okay, some of these are native seeds. This is parupogalong, which is grown right here in our garden. It's a vegetable. It's called winged beans. And then this one is a red mongo beans. And it's a climbing beans instead of the bush that we have as green mongo. This is very rich in protein, and I love to cook this because it's easy to cook. This is papaya. This one, I'm not quite sure, but this is yellow papaya. This is one of those things that we don't really have. I think it's hybrid. And since I cannot find this yellow papayas anymore anywhere, I like to save the seeds. This is called pink limeberry. Now this is native here. We have quite a lot of this. Apparently, our Mitch has a lot of this in her backyard, and they eat this raw. I don't think it's being cooked. This is miracle fruit. This one also is not from the Philippines, but it's grown all over the Philippines now. It's very rich in vitamin C, and it's a miracle fruit because it makes sour things taste sweet after you eat this berry. This is called Makota dewa. This is a medicinal plant from Indonesia. It's native of Indonesia. And you only use the pulp and not the seeds. So I save the seeds for planting. It's a little bush. It's very attractive fruit. That's why I like it. I don't actually use this yet for myself, but apparently this is an anti-cancer medication. This is Suriname cherry. As you can see, it's these are the fruits. We make jams and jellies out of these. We do not have enough, so we can only cook so much for us. As you know, Suriname, that's why it's not native in the Philippines. This red one is called GAC, G-A-C. This is from the family of Marigoso or Momordica. And it's very rich in lycopene and also in beta-carotene. I use this to make smoothies, milkshakes, and juices. Apparently, this is also good for anti-prostate cancer. And the seeds are like this. I save the seeds for sharing also, not just for myself, because I would like to introduce other plants to other people as long as it is not invasive. Some plants can be very invasive, so I try not to propagate those kind. This can be invasive, but you can control it if you want. So that's it. I like to save seedlings from our native trees here, but we usually let them grow in the ground first, and then we dig them up and either sell it or give it away to some friends. The reason why we let them grow in the native soil first is because some of them can be hard to grow in pots.